Hello teacher, today I present to the plan for my saving money. I am saving money to buy a new laptop for school. I need to sell about 15 million Vietnam đồng. To reach this goal, I will sell 1 million Vietnam đồng from my monthly allowance and take some part-time job one weekend. I also plan to reduce spending on fast foods and online shopping. One difficult I may face is that uncertainty expenses might come up or might be temple to spend money on entertainment, but I will to try stay focused and on my goals. I think that's all.